Keep your ice fresh and fun. First, plug in the machine and get it ready to work its magic. The machine will enter standby mode, patiently waiting for your command. Make sure the right side hose is in place and the reservoir is empty. Then, add the cleaning agent to the water reservoir according to the recommended ratio. Press and hold the timer button for 5 seconds to kickstart the self-cleaning mode. The machine will fill with water to a certain level and begin its cleaning cycle. Sit back and relax while it does the hard work. Once the self-cleaning process is done, the machine will return to standby mode, ready for your next ice adventure. Unplug the hose to drain the water from the reservoir. Reattach the hose to the reservoir and you're almost there. Activate the cleaning mode again for a second round. Carefully remove the distribution pipe. It's time for some TLC. Give the distribution pipe and countertop a good scrub. Clean surfaces make happy ice. Reinstall the distribution pipe, ensuring each hole faces down to prevent water from splashing during the next use. Unscrew the tank, take it out, and dive into the unknown. Let's uncover hidden secrets and embark on a whole new adventure together. Use a clean brush to scrub the interior of the water reservoir. Let's get rid of any hidden grime. After it's all clean, reinstall the water reservoir. You're doing great. Now, to ensure everything is thoroughly clean, activate the self-cleaning mode a few more times. This will give your ice maker a complete refresh and make sure no residue is left behind. Give the interior of the ice maker a nice wipe down. Clean machines make the best ice. Leave the door open for ventilation to let everything dry completely before closing. A little fresh air goes a long way. We hope you found this video helpful. Looking for more inspiration or have any questions? Visit EUHOMY.com and connect with us anytime.